Girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want girls. Hey.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tierranikea, and we are back with another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Make sure you like and comment. Make sure y'all hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload. So today is Friday, and I'm on my way to the gym. I literally just got up few minutes ago, and I'm like, let me just go work out. Like, I haven't worked out, y'all, in a few weeks before I went to Vegas. So I'm really trying to get back on track. Turn this music down. I'm really trying to get in a routine of working out again, you know, working on my diet, but mainly majority just having a routine of me doing my healthy habits. I'm creating healthy, creating healthy habits, because, you know what I'm saying, that's exactly how it should be. You know, just like you create bad habits, the same way that you create bad habits, you can create healthy ones. So yes, your girl has gained a few pounds. So and you know, it's actually weird because I feel like I'm losing weight. Like, I feel like when I gain weight, the first place I gain it is in my face. Like, I got a little double chin. I got the little two chin effect, and I hate it, y'all. So, like, when I'm starting to lose weight, my face gets small. That's the first place it gets small. And then my stomach. So, yes. But today is, I don't know what I got going on today, to be honest. But I know I'm taking y'all with me, okay? I got a car mount from Amazon, but I didn't read the description. It was one of the camera mounts to go in the window, so I have to take that back and find one that goes on the dashboard. They had one on Amazon for the dashboard, but I looked at the reviews, and the review said that it didn't stick to the dashboard, so I don't want to buy anything else and have to send it back. So yeah. But yeah, it's hot. It's very hot. The kids are in the house asleep. I really have to work on getting up earlier, y'all. Like, lately I've been going to sleep around like 3 o'clock a.m. and then I get up. Usually I don't get up until 11, and that's not good. So, like I said, I'm trying to create a healthier routine. It's crazy I decided to do it on a Friday, but hey. You know what I'm saying? So, I know I have to, my daughter's birthday next week, so I had to refreshen her knotless braids. Somebody, I think her sisters did her hair, and they need to be refreshed. So I'm gonna refreshen her knotless braids, and I might do her lashes. Those of you that don't know, I do hair. I braid hair. I do locks. I do feed-in braids. Yeah. And I'm also hold on, y'all. A little shady. And I also had got certified to be a lash tech years ago, but I've never, you know what I'm saying, I wasn't consistent. I didn't practice afterwards. So I literally just got certified in brought all this lash stuff a couple times and didn't do anything with it. So I'm trying to get back into lashing because I love to lash. I love lashes. I've been wearing lashes since I was in high school, before lashes was even popular. So I want to get back into that because that's something that I love to do. So but I am at the gym. I'm about to get this quick workout on. It's going to be very quick, probably like maybe 45 minutes. I'm doing some cardio, and then I'm probably going to do a little butt workouts. But yeah, I'm just trying to, my first day back in the gym, I always go light because I don't want to be sore as hell, and then you know what I'm saying, I don't want to work out the next day. So I will be right back. Y'all, so I am out from the gym. I had to stop to Walgreens to get my son some medicine. While I was on the treadmill, because I did cardio, and I did a few butt exercises, some pulse squats, and what else did I do? I think that's it. Yeah, I just did something simple today. But I've been on a search for a hair salon chair because, you know, I want my clients to be comfortable, and of course I think it's better for my back too, having a chair that, a professional chair. So I went to look on Facebook Marketplace. I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace, and I found one. She wants $75 for it. She says the hydraulic bar works, and it's black or whatever, and it looks nice. So hopefully, because I have a client tomorrow, it's actually my friend, and I want to make I want to have it before then, but hopefully I can meet her today. If not, then it'll have to be another time. But I am currently on my way home to my babies. They're probably woke by now. And get in the shower, maybe fix them some breakfast. But workout was good. I'm gonna keep it up. Make sure I get my water intake, because y'all, lately, these last couple of days, I have been doing horrible. Like, I'm surprised that I even sweat in the gym, because I haven't been drinking enough water. So yes, we're gonna have a lot of water intake today. Take my vitamins. So I will definitely pick you guys back up later on when I get settled. What's up, you guys? So I am just checking in with you guys. It is currently 4:16 p.m. And we just came back from Acme, me and Kai. He's back there playing he's back there playing with his hold on, y'all.
Tablet.
Say hi.
Hold it.
No. Tell him, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Yes, just me and him. I had to get me some watermelon and some more chicken salad, because as y'all know, your girl is on a diet. Well, not a diet, because that is short term. I am on a healthy lifestyle. Healthy eating lifestyle. Okay. So yeah, it is 96 degrees, y'all. Like, it is so hot outside. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be doing much today. I do have to finish my daughter's hair. Then she went and got into they went to a hotel across the street from where I live. They let kids pay to get in the pool, so they're currently in the pool right now. So yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'll probably go home. I got a little bit of work to do. I need to create my price list for my hair prices, how much I'll be charging. I need to create that. And the lady still hasn't hit me back about the salon chair, so I guess it's a no-go. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gone. So I will pick you guys back up later. Alright, y'all. So I am getting dressed. Well, I'm already dressed. It's 10:46. Let's see if this light, I feel like this light is in the way. I hope y'all can see me good, but yes, y'all. I am going to a bar with my friend. Just to get a couple of drinks. I really am not doing anything. I'm really not doing too much tonight. Just wanting to get out. Alright, y'all. So I am dressed. I'm about to show you my outfit. But before I show y'all, I got to get the link taken out of this. Like, I've been had this for a while now. And I just wear it without, you know what I'm saying, the link being taken out. This, yes, definitely a great night scent. All right, so let me show you my outfit. I still got my fro. My hair came today, y'all. I'll probably show you that too while I'm waiting on him to come. But excuse the lighting in here. Like, this light is so yellow. Alright. So, I have my halter top shirt from Shein. I got these jeans. I believe I got it from Rue 21. And of course, I got my, get it closer, Steve Madden shoes that my ex got me. Yes. And I have paired it with this purse. Pink on the shoes with the purse. Yes, just nice, sexy but still casual look. You know, not too much. These shoes, I wear a size 7. And they're a size 7. But you know how sandals like stretch so much? These shoes stretched so much. Literally, like, I be stepping out of them. But they're cute. So yeah, y'all. We're going to go to a bar out of town. Because I don't want to be in town this weekend. Yes, I forgot where I got these earrings from. But they're so cute. But yeah, so he's on his way. So I am definitely taking you guys with me. I'll probably record off my phone. I'm definitely not gonna bring this camera in. But yeah, oh, let me show you my hair. I'm gonna keep the phone in here, the camera in here because the lighting's a little better, so hold on. All right, y'all, this lighting in here is a little better. So as I said, I am putting passion twists in my hair. This is the hair. It's very cute. I'm gonna show you guys the picture And it's from Nisayo. Yes, off of Amazon. I will definitely leave the link down below. And it came with 8 packs, 8 bundles of hair. And it's 24 inches. Yes. Alright, so this is, and I love the color, y'all. The color is what really got me. Like, I am all for like a honey blonde color. And I think that pop of brown is going to look really good on my skin tone. So, yes. And it was very affordable. It was $27.99. It's not sponsored. But yes, I will definitely leave a link down below for you guys. But yeah, I think we might go to this bar called, I think it's Sidelines. Yeah, I think it's called Sidelines. And we'll probably see what's going on down there. Because I know last time me and my best friend went down there, and there wasn't, you know, a lot of people there. But it might be today. So we'll see. But I'm definitely taking you guys with me. Girl needs a drink. I've been doing so good with my eating today, y'all. Like, I feel good. Like, I am finally making that change. So, all right, y'all. So, I'm rambling. I will definitely pick you guys back up. What's up, you guys? So, it's the next day. It's 2:26 p.m. and woo, I'm on my way to get me a smoothie, guys. I've been up since 8. I had a client at 8, and I got done at 12:30. And I have another client that's coming. She should be at the house any minute now, so I'm just gonna get me a smoothie up the street. This fly. Last night I didn't get to record anything because I literally was in the moment. But last night it was fun. I went to a bar. I went to 2 bars, and yeah, it was fun. I had fun last night, y'all. It's so hot. Like, it's, when I tell you, this kind of heat makes me not want to do anything. Like, I just want to just sit inside in the air. This is that cranky heat. I had dropped the kids off at my mom's. Like, when I do clients and stuff, my youngest 3, I like them to be gone because it's really hard for me to parent. And you know what I'm saying, it's professional. I mean, it's kind of unprofessional to have like your kids run around and everything. So to me it is. And when I get my hair done, I like to relax, so I do take them somewhere until I'm done working. But I'm supposed to be taking them to the Harrington Fair. It's a fair they have every year, like a really big carnival. And yeah, I think I'm gonna take them there tonight. And then I don't know if I'm doing anything tonight. I might not, because I'm really tired. What's up, y'all? So it is now hours later. I feel like I've been in the car the last couple clips, but yeah. So Remember I told you I had another client at 2:30? Well, I got the dates mixed up. It's actually tomorrow. She's actually scheduled for tomorrow. And I was literally waiting, and I had to go back to our conversation on Messenger, and I'm like, Lord, the appointment's tomorrow. So yeah, I just really cleaned up a little bit, and I did some laundry, and I took a nap, y'all, because literally I got 4 hours of sleep. I got in around like 3, went to sleep at 4, and then I got back up because I had I had a client at 8:30, so I was tired. And when mama is tired, when I don't get my rest, I have to call it that. When I don't get my rest, I'm just cranky and just off. So yeah, I took my nap, and I'm on my way to my mom's to get my kids and take them to have some fun. It's still hot as I don't know what. Like, I thought it was gonna cool down, but it's still hot. It is. So I don't, baby, I know 9 times out of 10 I probably will stay in tonight, because with it being hot like this, and then, you know what I'm saying, running around with the kids, you know how kids are when you take them to the fair and stuff. I know I'm gonna be tired, so, but we'll see. Get some gas real quick, but I am gonna take you guys with me. I gotta charge my camera up a little bit, because I think she only had like 2 notches. So yes, I'm gonna get some gas, probably get me a little sandwich, and go get my kids, and then let's go to the fair. All right, you guys, so it's now 7:32, and we are finally getting ready to go to the fair. My mom and dad is going, so the kids are riding with them. Here's my dad.
Open the back of the motherfucker.
They're riding in luxury.
Ain't that
Mommy, show them.
Nice TV.
Mommy, show them to me.
Yes.
Look
at her posing.
Fun.
Y'all gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Are y'all gonna get on some rides?
Yeah, we're gonna get on big rides.
Legend, are you gonna get on some rides?
Yeah. Yeah. Mommy, they won't shoot. They won't shoot.
Okay.
They're not getting in the back. But Kai is it? You're not going.
And I've heard Nelly was in town, so it's gonna be packed. Mom, you need help? Huh? Oh. Hold on, let me help my mom. All right, I'll hit you guys. I'll pick you guys back up when we're there. Okay. So we finally made it.
Hi, guys.
It was a long line for the to find a parking spot, but we finally found a parking spot. Say hi, y'all.
Hi.
So we got to walk down to either get on a shuttle, or it all depends. I don't know how far we are from the fair, but yes. I think it's like, what time is it? Yeah, I was surprised to see all those spots back there. Oh, it's 8:45. So I think they close at 11, so I'm excited. Even though I don't get on the rides. I might get on one. I don't know.
Nah, you're driving into the freaking...
If they go straight to the back, they can find me.
Look at my family. We're gonna see Nelly, y'all.
Yeah, right. This is dusty.
It's getting hot in here.
Yeah, he gonna look musty and dusty and rusty. And crusty.
Get over, Carl. No, come over side.
Dusty, crusty,
Come over.
musty, and crusty. Nah.
Carl, that's the way.
Huh? Yeah. All right, guys. We are at the fair, finally. Inside.
I'm waiting for a cleaner.
Now we gotta find where the wristbands is.
They're on that side.
Not yet.
Come on, y'all. We got that. Where you at?
Not yet. Yeah, wristbands. We gotta go get purchase those. We gotta go purchase those. So yeah, we're gonna go get some wristbands for the kids
Mommy.
so they can get on some rides. Yes.
Yeah. Remember when
Jamar, here. Come here.
Mommy. Remember when me and Amari went on the zipper?
Huh? What you gonna get on, Kai?
That slingshot.
You gonna get on that? We gotta get tickets first. Guys, he said he's gonna get on that. Looks cool.
Okay.
That looks fun. So we're looking for the booth to pay for the wristbands so they can get on rides. The wristbands are for the whole night. Huh? You ready to get on some rides, baby?
Yeah. No, I'm on that jumpy thing.
You wanna get on that?
Yeah, that jumpy thing.
It does look fun. Hey, Mama. Is it good? So Nai, Kai, and Kamaya's get on this ride. Legend's too small. So he's on the side with us. And they are right there.
They got a seat over there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Of course, I am the holder of everything. There's nothing in here. I need me a shot of Ciroc on the rocks. My head is pounding. I'm hot. There they go. Where's Legend? Okay.
Mommy, I'm going.
All right, go give her her shoes.
I can't get on the helicopter.
Okay.
Over there.
All right. Wait a minute. Wait. Boys. I gotta get the card first. Let me go get the card. Oh yeah, it's not, they're not ready.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.